Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Camouflage Biomod in Subnautica 2. Now, for you to get this biomod, it's a bit of a ways away from the life pod. Quite frankly, it's about 1,200 meters away to the east. The location that we're going to start off to get this biomod will be the Alien Ruins. From here, go northwest until the ground seems to drop a bit. Go down and turn around, and there should be an entrance to a cave. And immediately once you go in, there are some bullet heads attached to the walls of the cave. Try not to turn on your tadpole's lights to not spook them, but also be very fast with the scanning, since these little critters will bolt out and will charge at you at very fast speeds. Once you're done scanning it, it will now be available on your biolab, ready to be equipped. How this biomod works is that you basically just have to stay still, and predators and all fish will not be able to sense you, making this a powerful biomod. So powerful, in fact, that the collector Leviathan can't even see you either. I even tested it by having my tadpole right under me while not moving, and it only targeted the tadpole. And I had the opportunity to scan it for another biomod, and that's about it on how to unlock the Camouflage Biomod in Subnautica 2.